Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can send a PDF file in WhatsApp. It's super easy and I will make sure you get it right. Make sure to watch complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's start our video. First of all, we have to open our WhatsApp app. There is a chat. Open that chat. There is an option. There is an attach sign downside. We have to click on this. There are so many options: document, camera, gallery, audio, catalog, quick reply, location, contact and poll. We have to click on documents like this. There are so many files. I want to click on this file like this, and there is an arrow sign. I am going to click on that. So here is my PDF has been sent. Thank you. Also, please consider showing your support by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more content. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.